Okay, the scale factor of the dimensions of two wood floors, meaning the length and width dimensions, each length and width has a 4:3 ratio for two similar wood floors. Okay, it costs $216 to refinish the smaller wood floor. When you refinish it, you're covering the area. So we need to be dealing with the area scale factor of this. And since the length scale factor is 4:3, then the area scale factor is the square of that, 16:9. Okay, so if they have a ratio of 16:9, and they say the smaller wood floor costs 216 to finish, then what will it cost to finish the larger one at that same rate? So we're just setting up as a proportion. 4:3 length ratio means a 16:9 area ratio. 16. Oh, and actually, you know what? See what I did wrong? Somebody catch my error? It says the smaller wood floor costs 216. And where did I put it? I accidentally put it across from the bigger. And it can't go across from the bigger. It's got to go across from the smaller because it says it's the smaller wood floor. So let me erase that, my mistake, and put 216 there across from the smaller one. Okay, and then we've got x here. That's better. And now we do 9x equals 16 times 216. 16 times 216 equals 3,456. And when we divide both sides by 9, we get x. The cost to refinish the larger wood floor is 384, and what's the units? It is dollars. There you go. If I had left that in the wrong position, I would end up getting a smaller number than $216. And that would not logically make sense for it to cost less to refinish a larger wood floor. So if I had not caught that error and I had found a number that was smaller than 216, that should alert me. I should just look at that and say, wait a second, I can't get a larger wood floor refinished for less if it's the same rate. Okay? So examine your answers and see if they make sense.